For this first activity in the Restorative Practices module, we'll be looking at a database created by the independent nonprofit investigative journalism organization ProPublica. They've done this for each state and they've tried to mine down to each school district. Colorado's is pretty robust, which is great for us. We can see a lot of different data. We'd like you to look at the Colorado data, which is where you'll land automatically when you're on the page, but we'd also like you to look at your school district data. I'm not going to walk through Colorado because I'd like you to make your own conclusions, but let's maybe look at the Mesa County Valley School District 51, which Grand Junction is the major school, as the major town in that school district. So here's how you can look at the report. As we start to scroll down, we'll see the district composition. So Mesa County Valley School District 51 has 1% black students, 23% Hispanic students, 70% white students, and so on. As we go down, they'll share some data about those students and their access to certain courses or gifted and talented access. So as you can see here, the district population freezes at the top of the screen as you're going down. It's sort of like Excel if you've ever frozen a screen. And now you can compare. All right, knowing that the population is this, to be completely equitable, students in an AP course should mirror the greater student population. But as you see, they don't. There are no black students in AP courses in Mesa County Valley 51. The percent of Hispanic students in AP courses is 15%, which is clearly lower than the overall population of Latino students in the district. So with those students who are losing access, some students have to gain. So as you can see, 70% of the population is white, yet 78% of the AP course composition is white. You look at gifted and talented, and those disparities are even more prevalent. That's an example of access, and you can certainly talk about that in your worksheets. We would like you to really hone in on discipline, as that's the focus of this module. So as we move down to discipline, you can see that black students are suspended along the same ratio as their population. 1% students in the population, 1% of students are suspended. That's good, that's equitable. 23%, the population, school population is 23% Hispanic, yet the out-of-school suspension is 32%. That is higher, so there's a disparity there. 56% of white, 56% of the students who are suspended are white. That's lower than the percentage of white students in the district. The expulsion rates are interesting. 18%, so this is actually disproportionate toward white students in the expulsion. White students are expelled at a higher rate than black or Hispanic students, which is interesting. So that's a quick tutorial on how to look at that data. You can look at all these little nuggets, all these little percentages. It's totally up to you. But we do want you to look at the state data, which is where you'll land initially from that link. And then we'd also like you to search for or find your district's data. And the worksheet will walk you through some questions that we want you to answer, but this is the crux of that worksheet. This is the place where you'll find that data. Thank you.